there you have it. Hopefully, we explained it with simplicity to give you the confidence to continue moving forward with your project. I want to emphasize the fact that I am here to just make it easier for you to attempt this in your own home, okay? This is what works for me. There are many, many, many methods out there where people use, and that's okay too. There's nothing wrong with those methods. There's nothing wrong with the guy who's been doing it for 40 years, who maybe he's been putting the tape on backwards. I don't know. Is it okay? Of course it's okay. Could it go bad? It could go bad. But putting the tape on backwards is not the worst thing in the world, right? I mean, it's fixable until it's not. You know, would you go out wearing your shirt backwards? It'll work, but would you do it? I don't know. That's up for you guys to decide, right? But this is what works for me. I've been doing this for 40 plus years. I still work every day. And I'm not here, again, to tell anybody what's right and what's wrong, okay? I'm here to show you what has worked and what continues to work for me. There's a lot of stuff out there that you guys can pick and choose. But I am grateful for all the wonderful comments that I received. I will continue to do the best that I can to respond to all of them as best as I can. Again, if you have any really detailed questions, hit us up on the email. We're working on our website. You know, again, I hope this helps. I really do. I hope this gives you the confidence to go ahead and tackle the project. I don't like to hear the stories where people come in and they do a terrible job on people's homes and, you know, they gave them the money and then the people disappeared and now you got to pay more to get people to fix it. You know, it's heartbreaking to me to hear those stories. And I can be honest, in 2025, I fixed more jobs than ever before in my taping career. So that tells me that there are people out there that are calling themselves professionals that are not really truly professionals. And we need to weed them out. And, you know, we need to make sure that the homeowners and the DIYers who are hiring people like that, you know, don't go through that kind of stress and don't, you know, get robbed and ripped off and have someone who does shoddy workmanship come in their home. Attempt it yourself, do it yourself. Everything's fixable. You can fix it. Give yourself the confidence to do it and take pride in your work. And I promise you, over the course of time, you will get better and better and better. You know, in closing, I just want to also extend my gratitude for everyone who has commented positive comments on the YouTube channels, the Facebook channels, the Instagram, the TikToks, everything that we launched on. It has been overwhelming to hear that so many people are getting value out of this, and that's what kind of prompted us to move ahead. I hear everybody, they wanted the second coat. Here's the second coat. We went ahead and we've filmed and put this on video so you guys can continue from first coat to second coat. The third coat will be next. So with that, in conclusion of that, you will have knowledge and the wherewithal to handle the project, first coat, second coat, third coat, okay? The basics of the process. Are there gonna be things that come up that maybe you never seen before? Of course there is. That's like anything else, right? You gotta learn how to hold the tools, learn how to angle the tools. It's all important. It all ties together. So if there's anything that people would like to see or want me to cover in a video, please feel free to reach out, subscribe to us, tell us in the comments, hey, can you show us this? Can you show us that? We're struggling with this. And if it's a more detailed question and you don't want to advertise yourself out there on social media, I totally understand that too. Reach out through an email. Just hit us up with an email and we'll get back to you. If we don't get back to you right away, don't get scared. It'll take a day or two to get back, but we will get back to you and I will do my best to get back to everyone. It's really, really hard to But once I eliminate the negative comments, I'm happy to get back to everybody, you know? But I hope this is helped people. That's my goal. I'm here to help. I'm here to build people up. I'm here to give back. I just want people to be confident to do the work in their own home. And please hit us up on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. This way we can follow. We know what's going on. If we're doing our job correctly, are we showing you the right things? Are we showing you the right techniques? Do you want to see something different? Do you want to see outside corners, inside corners? Do you want to see patches? Do you want to see painted surfaces? Do you want to see nail pops? Do you want to see stress cracks? All of that stuff ties together. I want to get to it all, but if there's something that we see that needs more attention, after we finish the third coat, we'll jump right on that. Feel free, reach out. Don't be afraid, don't be scared, and good luck with your home project. And we're here if you need us. Hit us up with questions.